Hello there, lovely people. Welcome to Digital Knowledge. In today's quick tutorial, you are gonna see how to rearrange your Instagram grid. So you have to head over to your Instagram, of course, for that. And once in there, make sure you have logged into your desired account. And then head over to your profile. Once in your profile, you will find your posts in here. So if you want to rearrange your Instagram grid, like you want to show this post to the first or this one to the last or middle, you can do that. So you have to keep tapped on your photo, and or you can just go to edit profile, and here long press on any post. So let's say this one, tap on the three dots, and here you will find the option of adjust preview. So you can adjust a preview in here, or you can adjust you can pin it to your main grid. So as you can see, it is on the top. You can also move it here and there. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.